Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction, huh? So today, a lot of you has been commenting, no? Since yung reaction natin ng performance ng SB19 to the first take na Damn, I did mention na we already reacted to Gento na performance la to the first take. Marami nag-comment sa inyo na, Kurt, nag-perform din sila ng mapa. This is not the second time, or Gento is not the first time. So we're going. I've never actually watched that performance, no? Nila ng mapa sa the first take. So we're gonna watch it, man. We're gonna watch it today. Well, I'm really excited with this. I mean, kung hindi pa kayo magko-comment, hindi ko malalaman na meron silang mapa pa, no? Aside from sa Gento and yung sa Dam nga na sobrang recent lang. Well, without further ado, let's get it. Let's go.
Oh yeah.
Goodness.
Grabe.
We back. Nakakabingi yung katahimikan dito.
Yeah.
Bro, we back.
Wow. We're back here again.
Silent, man.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Too
Tell me when
silent.
you're ready. You guys ready?
We're not.
We're not. We're not.
Yeah. We good?
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay. Let's get it.
Ready? Yeah, let's do this.
Oh,
Let's go.
sabi ni Joshua, let's get it.
You ready?
Yeah. We good?
Yeah. We good.
Okay.
Let's get it.
Ready? Yeah, let's do this. Let's go.
Mama, kumusta na di na? Tayo lagi nakikita.
Boom. 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 Ganun yung pasok ng beat.
Di na. Tayo lagi nakikita. Miss na kita sobra. Lagi na lang kami ang nauuna.
Ooh.
Di ba pwedeng ikaw muna? Akin ang pangamba.
Oh. Little vocal line.
Dahil ikaw ang aking mata. Sa tuwing mundo'y nag-iiba ang dahilan.
Oh. And then we have violin now on the beat.
Mundo'y nag-iiba ang dahilan ng aking paghinga. Kaya huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong matatana. Pahinga muna, ako nang bahala.
This is not the original beat, right? Ng mapa. This is not the original beat ng mapa. Ang ganda no? Ang ganda Parang choir.
Tana, pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Labis pa sa labis ang iyong nagawa, mama. Pahinga muna, ako na. La-tsara-tsara,
Hey.
la-tsara-tsara, la-tsara-tsara-tsara, la-tsara-la-tsara, la-tsara-tsara, la-tsara-tsara, la-tsara-tsara-tsara, la-tsara-la-tsara. Papa, naaalala mo pa ba? Nung ako'y bata pa, diba? Aking puso yung hinanda sa mga bagay na buhay ang may dala. Dala ko ang iyong bawat payo at hanggang sa dulo.
Josh, let's go, man.
Handa sa mga bagay na buhay ang may dala. Dala ko ang iyong bawat payo at hanggang sa dulo.
go, man.
Man, tayo ako'y tatayo, pangako tatay ko. Ikaw aking pa sa tuwing ako'y gagapa.
Oh man, what the fuck? Oh man, that harmonizationism is fucking crazy. What the hell?
Tatay ko, ikaw aking pa sa tuwing.
Oh, shut the fuck up! Why you always do this, man? You hear that?
Ako'y tatayo, pangako tatay ko. Ikaw aking pa
Oh man.
sa tuwing
galing nila magtimpla ng mga vocals nila eh, no? Ang galing nila magtimpla ng mga vocals nila. Man. I mean, other casual listener is not gonna notice this, but man. It's fucking eargasm. What the hell? Let's bring it back to that part. Napakaganda pa nung combination na si Ken yung kumakanta na medyo, you know, medyo malaki yung boses niya, medyo tenor, 'di ba? And then we have the harmonizing and the blending at the background na medyo high pitch, right? So tamang-tama lang na maririnig natin yung boses ni Ken, pero at the same time naririnig natin yung harmonizing at the background. And they're doing it live, man. Kasi again, doing like when you're doing it on like the software that, you know, maybe they're using, FL Studio, I don't know. You can adjust the volume, right? Pag sa tingin mo, sobrang nasa ilalim yung vocals ni Ken. Iangat natin, 'di ba? Taas natin yung volume, iangat natin or ibaba natin yung ad-libs. But here they're doing it live. No? So ang hirap nun, 'di ba?
Pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Labis pa sa labis ang ginagawa, Papa. Pahinga muna, ako na. Latsara-tsara, 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 latsara-tsara. Di ko na sasayangin pang mga natitirang paghinga. Tutungo na kung saan naroon ng mahalaga.
Hey.
At kahit na kailan pa may di mawawala, pagkat dala kong mapa. San man mapunta, alam kung saan nagmula. Huwag mag-alala, pikit ang
Oh, man, I'm getting goosebumps. What the hell? Man, what the hell?
matatana. Pahinga muna, ako na. Huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong matatana. Pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Labis pa sa labis ang ginagawa, Mapa. Pahinga muna, ako na. Tsara-tsara, latsara-tsara, latsara-tsara, latsara-tsara.
Let's go.
Latsara-tsara, 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 latsara-tsara.
Fucking monster, man.
Pahinga muna, ako na.
Let's fucking go, man.
Goodness. How was it, guys?
Yeah, ask me.
I felt good. How are you? How are you?
Yeah, it was great.
I like it.
Yeah.
I love it. I feel it.
We all enjoy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really good to hear.
Is this the first time? Ano sila? The first take? Alright, well again, that is SB19 performing Mappa in the first take. No? Man, this 5 is just monsters. Pagdating sa sa pagkanta, man, itong 5 to, grabe, no? Yeah. I don't know why. There's still a lot of people na hindi nagiging proud sa kanila, but come on, man. See that? That's fucking talent. Hindi yun nadala lang ng dating ng forma ng muka, ng sayaw. That is fucking talent. I mean, dancing is also a talent, so damn. But yeah, Well, that's our reaction for today, man. Sana gustuhan nyo yun. Leave a like and subscribe. Kung gusto mo maglasabutin yung artist, man, singer, rapper, song, nag-reactin tayo dyan, just comment down below. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome. Peace.